Hi, let's play track the ball toy. Just follow the ball with your eyes. This is an important skill for later learning to read. Good job. Then, we can count the ball from right to left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Thank you for watching.